Good morning, good morning, good morning, students. This is Teacher Sally. So today, we're going to learn how to introduce yourself. After this lesson, you are going to tell me about yourself. Are you ready? If you are ready, then let's begin. We have here some greetings examples. You are going to say these words when you meet a friend. So let's have the first one. The word hello. Hello. Next we have hi. Hi. Hey. Hey. What's up? What's up? Later. Later. Peace out. Peace out. So long. So long. Farewell. Farewell. You will say farewell when you say goodbye to your friend. Farewell. Next, we have the word good morning. Good morning. Everybody say good morning. Good morning. You will say good morning when it is in the morning. Good morning. Next. Good afternoon. Good afternoon. You will say good afternoon when it is in the afternoon. Good afternoon. Very good. Next, we have good evening. Good evening. You will say good evening when it is in the evening. Good evening. Good evening. All right. Next, the word good night. Good night. You will say good night when you are going to bed. Or you will say this also when it is in the evening. Good night. Let's read all together. Good morning. Good morning. Good afternoon. Good afternoon. Good evening. Good evening. Good night. Good night. Very good. Next, we have the word thank you. Thank you. If someone will give you something, you will say thank you. Thank you. And the correct response for this is you're welcome. You're welcome or you are welcome. Thank you. You are welcome. Very good. Next, the word nice to meet you. Nice to meet you. Repeat after me. Nice to meet you. Very good. You will say this when you meet a new friend. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you. Very good. This time, you are going to learn how to introduce yourself. So, you will say, hello, my name is, for example, if your name is John, you will say, hello, my name is John. My name is John. And if you are a girl, you will say, hello, my name is Joy. My name is Joy. Very good. Next questions is, how old are you? How old are you? So, what will you say if someone asks you, how old are you? You will say, I'm 10 years old. I'm 10 years old. Or, I'm 11 years old. I'm 12 years old. How old are you? I'm 10 years old. Very good. Next question is, what grade are you in? What grade are you in? So, if you are in grade 4, you will say, I am in grade 4. I am in grade 4. If you are in grade 5, you will say, I am in grade 5. I am in grade 5. if you are in grade 6, you will say, I am in grade 6. What grade are you in? I am in grade 6. Okay, next. Where do you live? Where do you live? They are asking, where do you live? So you will say, I live in Phnom Sarakham. Where do you live? I live in Phnom Sarakham. Or you will say, I live in Chasing Sao. I live in Chasing Sao. Where do you live? I live in Phnom Sarakham. I live in Chasing Sao. Very good. Okay, next. Next question we have, where do you come from? So where do you come from? If someone asks you, where do you come from? What will you say? You will say, I come from Thailand. I come from Thailand. I come from the Philippines. I come from Japan. Where do you come from? I come from Thailand. Now, let us review all the introducing vocabulary words. Let's read all together. Hi, hello, good morning, good morning, good afternoon, good afternoon, good evening, good evening, good night, good night. Thank you, thank you. You are welcome. You are welcome. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you. Next, how to introduce yourself. For example, my name is John. My name is Joy. I am 11 years old. I am 11 years old. I am in grade 5. I am in grade 5. I study at Wat Nong Sra School. I study at Wat Nong Sra School. I live in Phnom Sarakham. I live in Phnom Sarakham. I come from Thailand. I come from Thailand. Thank you. Thank you. Alright, so that's all for today and thank you for listening. Goodbye.